Right, so hey everyone and welcome back to another budget photography video. Welcome to Erith Marshlands. Now it's not exactly a marshland, it's just basically one big greenery with lots of horses that are just over there kind of thing. Although look at that sunset, that is just amazing. Got a really nice sunset. Anyway, that is not why we are here. I'm out just taking some pictures and I thought to myself, with smartphone camera technology getting smarter and smarter each year, it now kind of begs the question as to whether or not DSLRs or dedicated cameras for that matter are even necessary. I mean, I use this when I'm out with my family. Anyway, I'm getting beyond the point. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a hyperlapse with your phone. Normally, you would need some powerful editing software and a dedicated camera and a monopod or a tripod to create a hyperlapse. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it on your phone. So why don't we head into my phone? So here we go. First of all, I'm going to scroll down to more, and what will appear on your screen, which is exactly what I'm seeing right now, is a plethora, a lot of other options, and I'm going to go to this one down here. Time lapse is what I'm going to create. So I'm going to go into time lapse, turn the camera around. I love that sunset. Can I expose for that? Oh, I can. Let's turn that down to about there. So now what I'm going to do is literally really it's exposed for the sky again. Anyway, we'll leave it as exposing for the sky because this is only a temporary thing. Anyway, so yeah, it's exposing for the sky, and what we're going to do now is we're going to push the little record button that's over here on the right hand side. So all I've got to do is now I've just got to push record and walk down the path. Let's do that. There we go, let's have a look at that. So there's the footage there, let's play that. So there we go, that's literally it. We've got, what, maybe about 30 seconds of footage, and it's done. Now what you can do, if you really want, you could go into editing and try and, you know, color grade it, but I really wouldn't recommend it because of the post-process. Look at that sunset. Look at that. That's just beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, let's turn the camera back around so you guys can see me. You can, as I said, try and recover some of the footage and, you know, try and color grade it and stabilize it and whatever, but it might make it end up looking a little bit worse than what it originally was. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks for tuning into this video. No, that felt wrong. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Knocking on your door, nobody got